Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select options for a line in the ATM Milano application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the lines button, and within this section just click on a line and then click on the three dots in the middle of the page. And as you can see, these are the options that you can put on, so just click on the white circle next to those that you want to set, and as you can see, it updates automatically, so you don't have to press any further button. And then if you go back, you will be able to see the services on the map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.